Are you looking for a farmhouse near the city? We got the place for you.
Is this the original fireplace?
Yes, and it took a year to restore it.
Oh my God.
This hood is an original Gustav Stickley that you can only purchase at an auction.
Finally a bathtub I can fit in. I've never seen a custom copper sink like this. This thing must weigh a ton.
I feel like I'm in a movie.
Guys, one of the oldest homes in all the Sacramento area, definitely in Wilhagen. We are talking about the Saverien house, and the location is crazy. You have kind of like luxe farmhouse living, and you're close to everything. How old are these houses? I mean,
So the main house back then was built in 1920, which is the guest house now. But the main house now was built in 1936.
this property is awesome. We're gonna show you in, out, and all that kind of fun stuff of this house. Let's go inside and take a look.
Let's check it out.
Finally, we're in the house. This is so unique.
Look at the beams.
I know, this is so nice. This is like a fireplace. This is a place, look how big this thing is. And when was it built?
With the house, 1936.
That's crazy, crazy. And you were saying something out, it took like a year to restore the fireplace?
Here, they took like 22 layers of paint.
And any entertainer's house needs a piano.
Yes. I used to
Big.
play the piano.
Really? Back in the day?
I can't do it now.
All right. Now we got over here and, oh my God, this is so cool. Look at all the
sunroom?
exposed wood.
Sunroom? Would you call that a sunroom?
This is level up. This is like, I don't know, like a mini lodge feeling to this house. This is so nice with the big window doors, or the doors over here. All right, I like this after you. There's more to see.
Yes, we're walking into dining room and kitchen.
Well, the other thing too that I'm really loving about this house too is the fact that all the lighting, all the details that are coming out, like the different pieces, like the lighting is so unique. I mean, it's just all the little details that you don't see in so many houses
And it's
these days.
mixed with original, but a few modern pieces here and there, like light fixtures.
This is a dream. From the light fixtures to, what would you say this was again?
This is an original Gustav Stickley, where you can just go to the store and buy one of art.
Yeah, absolutely
And look
beautiful.
how it runs all the way to the back.
Pot filler? Ooh.
Yeah.
This is just so nice.
Everything matches with
Everything
the
does.
copper
Even
flow.
like the hardware they use and everything here too. Even like the latches for all this stuff.
It's very unique, right? It's not
yeah.
something that you see now. Everybody's about modern. This has so much character.
Yeah, and we forgot one thing. My favorite piece about the kitchen, the sink. Look at this thing. This thing must weigh a ton, but this thing is
I would
absolutely
imagine.
gorgeous. This kitchen is such a standout, don't you think?
Yes.
This house screams also farm to fork, organic vegetables and everything
Yes.
too. I know. All right, so lead on. More.
Discover the timeless elegance of Saverien Manor, a rare French Normandy masterpiece tucked into Sacramento's prestigious Arden Park neighborhood. Built in 1936 by renowned Northern California builder Frank Squeaky Williams, this iconic estate offers 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and over 3,600 square feet of beautifully preserved living space. From its steeply pitched roof lines to the handcrafted architecture details, every inch evokes the romance of the French countryside. Inside, historic charm blends seamlessly with modern comfort, perfect for both intimate evenings and elegant entertainment.
So one of the unique features about this house that I absolutely love are these large doors and these little people thingies that you can like pop out at. This is crazy. This is cool. My kids would absolutely love this. All right, so now
Let's go
upstairs. Oh, wait, before we do, look at this kind of cozy little area over here. Don't you like it?
I love it. And I love the built-in black shelves.
All right, let's go upstairs.
And we are on the second floor where all the bedrooms are.
Ooh, okay. I like the roof too. I like how it's not just your traditional, like, you know, what we see, just flat roofs. This is, I mean,
It has very
styling.
unique lines.
Yeah, very, very nice. So little areas too here, like a little sunroom kind of area too.
And the little hidden little things.
We like our storage here in Sacramento. Okay, so what do we got over here?
So here you have 2 bedrooms, one separate one and another one with the big balcony and a bathroom. And you have a separate bathroom and bedroom on the other side of the house, and they're quite large.
I mean, all the bedrooms that I've seen have a lot of space, so it's kind of hard to pick which one's the primary bedroom, right?
Exactly.
Situated within the graded Arden Arcade region, this location gives you quick access to major thoroughfares and all the amenities Sacramento has to offer, from boutique dining and shopping to scenic outdoor escapes. And when you're craving nature, the world-class American River Bike Trail is just minutes away, ideal for biking, jogging, and weekend adventures along the water. 930 Saverien Drive isn't just a home. It's a gateway to Sacramento's best mix of community, convenience, and lifestyle.
All right, Jerry, so now we're heading over to the cottage house, right? Or the carriage house.
The carriage house was built 1920. That was the original house.
Original house, absolutely beautiful, well-maintained. Let's go inside. All right, so we're in the carriage house, built in 1920.
1920, this is the original house, and it's pretty cozy. It has its own kitchen, its own bathroom with a shower, bedroom with a mini split, and the entire portion on top is a loft.
With a private entrance.
With a private entrance and stairs.
All right, I like this, I like this. This is so cozy. I mean, think about it, like 1920, you know, this is the original house here, and it's still standing, you know what I mean? And it's totally like, look at it, updated and everything too. This is nice.
And you have the little ladder to go upstairs. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, this is really, really cute. And also, like I said, part of Sacramento history. This is really, really nice, a really unique property. All right, so that was the carriage house. And now we're gonna check out the backyard area, which for me, I mean, having this much land close to like downtown Sacramento is just nuts.
There's so much. There's even a garden with raised beds.
And one of the things I absolutely love is a swimming pool. Can't go to Sacramento without a swimming pool.
No, and you have the pool, the spa. You will even have raised beds for vegetables.
This is beautiful. Look at these old trees. Look at the landscaping. You got that kids clubhouse, tree house over there as well too.
And how cute is that bridge?
It's just beautiful. And then you have that area over there too. What would you say, RV storage or?
It's an RV, or you can probably fit about 13 cars in there. And what's cool is you can drive from one side and drive out the other.
All right, guys, if you are bringing your toys to Sacramento, not only do you have a unique historical home, but you also have a spot to put 12 cars?
Probably, I would say.
All right, let's go take a look at the pool. This is kind of like, I'm gonna coin a term, kind of like old Hollywood chic, you know what I mean? Like those homes, so nice. I love the pool. I love all the foliage around here. I love that deck right there. You can kind of take a look at, make sure the kids aren't doing it. I love the water slide. This house is really, really amazing.
And we have the spa that's very tucked away.
Ooh, I like it. A little bit of a grotto feel to it. What do you got over here?
Private. That is a brick that says 1924 on it. How cool is that?
This house is just very unique, very charming. And you got land over there so you can plant some organic veggies. They've got chickens already. You can bring your own chickens.
Veggies. You have land for the kids to even dirt bike around because there's a trail around the whole property.
Yeah, crazy, crazy house. Guys, if you're looking for something historical, charming, one of a kind, with a lot of room and close to downtown and everything else, I mean, I don't know if you could want anything more than this, right?
It's owning a piece of history of Sacramento.
Absolutely. Guys, if you want a tour of this house, hit Jerry, hit myself, and we'd love to show you this house. This is a unique opportunity to own a little part of Sacramento history and an absolutely stunner of a house. Till next video.